The centralization of data storage using cloud computing has led many to choose blockchain alternatives, in an attempt to stop technology giants from controlling large amounts of data. Jupiter was built to give users a platform that prioritized privacy, accountability, and security. The network claims it uses military-grade encryption software. Multiple decentralized applications have since been launched on the blockchain using this technology, including its own encrypted messaging service. Yet, the Jupiter cryptocurrency has been struggling since it rebranded from the Darkness coin in 2019. The team will be hoping its new Coinbase listing will give it a much-needed resurrection. Jupiter is building an accessible blockchain with privacy and security at its core. The project is using encryption technology to help it achieve this goal. Users can interact with the blockchain's dApps without any concerns of their data being widely accessible. Its website states, the Jupiter project aims to make blockchain accessible and safe for everyone. Jupiter's military-grade encryption helps ensure that user data is private and secure. Stephen Grove is the founder of this security-focused blockchain. Based in America, he has previously worked as a systems administrator for the U.S. Army. Meanwhile, David Ma is the co-founder of Jupiter and is located in Australia. Ma has a background in medicine, but has also founded the sports-focused blockchain Wagair. Since launching in 2017, plenty of new products and dApps have been launched on the Jupiter blockchain. The application titled Gravity is enabling this. It allows users to build dApps that are focused on privacy or accountability. Other core features that have been developed on Jupiter include LIDA and non-fungible token marketplace. Like most marketplaces, investors can create, sell and trade these unique digital assets. But instead of NFTs, Jupiter calls them singleton asset tokens. One of Jupiter's most unique products is a chatting service called Métis. Its website states, through JSON formatting and our military-grade encryption, the Métis application can secure every single message on the platform. Métis uniquely uses accounts for channels and builds each user a channel list that is stored in their account. Part of the ecosystem is the Jupiter token, a cryptocurrency that exists on both Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. However, there is a surprising lack of detail on the utility of JUP according to its white paper and website. CoinMarketCap has revealed that 80% of the token's supply has been dedicated to the community, with the remaining amount evenly split between the team and foundation. Meanwhile, the Jupiter dashboard has revealed the token is used for fees, with the average block charging $0.002 JUP. JUP's price has been struggling in recent years, and its sparse utility could be to blame. The Jupiter roadmap has revealed a new focus on decentralized finance. Whether this can help remains to be seen. The JUP coin launched on January 12, 2017 at 1 cent and was initially undernamed Darkness with the blockchain titled NXT. The first 2 years proved to be a volatile period for the cryptocurrency. In May 2017, the price of DAR surged after it completed a burn of almost 5,000 tokens. The security token reached a peak of 43 cents on May 9th. It climbed even further the following month, with it peaking at 61 cents on June 7th. It then dropped back below 20 cents in July. September saw DAR skyrocket to its all-time high. It was listed on the Bittrex exchange and the price reached to a record 90 cents. However, this hype did not last and the token was hit by bad news. A blog post revealed, in October, Darkness was delisted from Bittrex because of our buyback and burn program. It had a severe effect on liquidity in the market, but the Darkness team wanted to stay true to the spirit of the project's charter. The price of the token slumped below 10 cents in December. It did see its fair share of peaks and troughs in 2018, but it eventually was victim to that year's bear market. DAR was fluctuating around its launch price at the end of 2018, which carried into the new year. Then, in March 2019, the blockchain revealed a rebrand to Jupiter. Instead of forking, the project described the process as a clone. This was because it was not carrying any information from the NXT blockchain. On March 19th, investors could swap 1 DAR for 7.35 Jupiter. The price of JUP reached a peak of 12 cents the following day. After a period of volatility, JUP was not able to keep up the momentum. By the beginning of September, the Jupiter token price was trading below its 2017 launch price. The JUP bulls had to wait 2 years until it saw another breakout. Jupiter's chatting app Mateys launched on Apple's App Store on March 17, 2021. The token saw some bullish tendencies with it peaking at 12 cents again, but it soon continued its depreciating trend. As Jupiter entered 2022, it had fallen again below its listing price in 2017. It then proved vulnerable to the recent crypto crash as it has dropped to $0.003 on May 12. At the time of this video, on June 23, it has recovered some of these losses with it trading at 1 cent, up 44% on the previous 7-day period. These gains follow the token being listed on the Coinbase exchange. There is a mixed consensus when it comes to a Jupiter coin price prediction, but most do not think a new all-time high is likely. Wallet Investor describes it as a bad long-term investment and says its long-term depreciating trend is likely to continue. Its Jupiter price prediction for 2022 expects it to drop to $0.001 by the end of December. Meanwhile, Gov Capital predicts it can reach 3 cents in a year's time. The Jupiter price prediction for 2025 assumes the token will rise to 12 cents at the end of the year. A much more gradual forecast is given by Tech News Leader, which suggests the token can only hit a maximum of $0.022 in 2025. Its Jupiter price prediction for 2030 anticipates a max price of 14 cents. Price prediction provides a similar outlook for JUP's future. It thinks Jupiter will average out at $0.005 this year and $0.016 in 2025. The Jupiter token price prediction expects it to eventually hit 13 cents in 2031.